Good morning and welcome back to the next edition of your Shutbox Assembly. Today we're going to look at putting together our flippers, dowel, and washer. Let's start by choosing from the ribbon New, Standard IAM, and click Create. Inventor automatically makes Place from Content Center the default. We're going to change that to Place Only. And I'm going to select from my H drive, I'm going to go find my dowel and click Open. Click to place your dowel, and I'm going to press Escape when that extra part is attached to my cursor, and I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. Next, over here in the left hand side of my browser, I want to take and I want to right click on dowel, right click, and I want to select grounded. Try that again. Select grounded. You can tell it's grounded that there's a white little push pin on top of the yellow square. Next, I'm going to place again, and I'm going to come into my H drive and select Flipper 9. We're going to start with Flipper 9. Click Open. I'm going to put my Flipper 9 up here by the dowel and press Escape to let go of the next part. I'm going to zoom in here just a little bit. I'm going to constrain to assemble these together. I'm going to use mate and flush in order to do this. And when I mate, I want to find the center line. That's the red dot dash line of the Flipper 9 hole and the red dot dash center line of the dowel. Let's begin doing that. I'm going to click the red dot dash line of the dowel. And I'm going to click the red dot dash line of the Flipper 9. You can see that my flipper turned backwards, and that's okay for now. We're going to click Apply. We're going to take and turn that around now. And to do that, we're going to click Flush Command for a constraint. I want to click this side of my Flipper 9. And then I'm going to use my Rotate tool to turn around until I can see the round side of my dowel. I'm going to press the Escape key to let go of my Rotate tool. And I'm going to click when I get my flush constraint arrow, the round side of that dowel. You can see that my flipper is even with the end of that dowel, so I'm going to change my offset here to 0.625, and it's going to push that flipper in 5/8 of an inch. Click Apply, and go home. Press Cancel on our constraint window. You can see that our Flipper 9 is turned down, so I'm going to use my arrow and I'm going to click and just turn this flipper up to a position that you like it. Once we have that Flipper 9 in a position that you like it, kind of tip back a little bit. I'm going to come over here by Flipper 9 in my browser that's on the left hand side of my screen. I'm going to right click and I'm going to ground this part. Next, we're going to go get our washer. I'm going to place, go to my H drive, I'm going to scroll down until I can find my washer and click Open. Place my washer up by Flipper number 9. Press Escape to let go of the next part. And I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. I'm going to constrain. I'm going to mate the center line of my dowel. Remember, that's the red dot dash line. And I'm going to mate the center line of my washer. So I want to make sure I'm getting my red dot dash line. Sometimes it will not select if you are zoomed out. You may have to zoom in further for this. Red dot dash center line and click. Select Apply. Next, I'm going to mate again. I want to mate this visible side of the washer here to the visible side of Flipper number 9 and click Apply. Good job, we're underway now. Let's go get our next flipper, which is Flipper 8. Click Place. I'm going to grab your Flipper number 8 from your H drive. Place it up by Flipper 9. Press the Escape key to let go of the next part. And I'm going to constrain. I'm going to mate the center line of the dowel, center line of the Flipper 8. Remember, that's the dot dash line. Make sure you have that red center line highlighted and click. Let's select apply and press cancel. My flipper 8's a little close, so I'm going to click on him and drag him out of the way a little bit. And then I'm going to constrain again. I want to mate this side of flipper 8 to this side of the visible washer. Make sure you're choosing the washer and not flipper 9. And click apply. You can see my flipper 8 is not in the correct position. So in order to make him move to match flipper 9, I'm going to mate again. I want to mate the bottom of flipper 9, and I want to mate the bottom edge of flipper 8. Make sure you're choosing the edge and not the surface. We want just that edge highlighted. And click. Select apply. Press cancel. Now I want to place again. Go get a washer. Press escape to let go of the next part, and I'm going to constrain. I want to mate center line of the dowel and center line of the washer. Click apply. I'm going to mate the visible side of the washer to the visible side of flipper 8. Click apply. Press cancel. I'm going to place again. Go get my flipper 7. Click open. Press the escape key. I'm going to constrain. Remember, we're doing center lines. So I want the center line of the dowel and the center line of flipper 7. Click apply. Now I'm going to mate again this side of flipper 7 to this visible edge of surface of the washer. Click apply. And then we're going to line up the bottoms. The bottom of flipper 8. And I want that bottom edge of flipper number 7. Not the surfaces, the bottom edge. And click apply. Press cancel. Place. We're going to go get another washer. Select open. Press the escape key. And I'm going to mate center line of the dowel, center line of the washer. Apply. Mate surface of the washer, the surface of flipper 7. Click apply. Press cancel. We're going to place again. Get flipper 6. Press the escape key. We're going to constrain. We're going to mate center line of the dowel, center line of your flipper 6. Apply. We're going to mate this side of flipper 6 to the washer. Click apply. And I want to line up my bottoms, so the bottom of flipper 7 and the bottom of flipper 6. Make sure you're not selecting this surface. We just want that edge. Click apply. Press cancel. Place again. Get your washer. Press the escape key. Constrain. We're going to mate center line of the dowel, center line of the washer. Click apply. Flush surface of the washer to the surface of the flipper. Click apply. Press cancel. Place. Go get your flipper 5. Click open. Press the escape key. We're going to constrain. We're going to mate center line of the dowel, center line of your next flipper. Click apply. Then we're going to mate this side of your flipper 5, this side of the washer. Click apply. And we're going to make the bottoms. Bottom of 6, bottom of 5. Make sure you're not selecting this surface. Click apply. Go get another washer. Press escape, constrain, mate center line of the dowel, center line of your washer. Click apply. Mate the round part of your washer to the side of flipper 5. Click apply. Place. Flipper 4. Press the escape key. We're going to constrain, mate center line of the dowel, center line of your flipper 4. Click apply. We're going to mate the side of flipper 4 to the side of your washer. Click apply. And we're going to line up the bottoms with a mate. Bottom of flipper 5, bottom of flipper 4. Click apply. Place again. Let's go get another washer. Open. Constrain. We're going to mate center line of the dowel, center line of your washer. Apply. And then we're going to mate this side of the washer to this side of 4. Click apply. Press cancel. We're going to place again. Flipper number 3. Click open. Press the escape key. Constrain. Mate center line of the dowel, center line of flipper 3. Click apply. Now if this gets in the way, we can press cancel. My flipper 3 kind of got in the way here, so I'm going to move them out a little bit. Constrain again. We're going to mate this side of flipper 3 to this side of the washer. Click apply. And then we're going to mate the bottoms, the bottom of 4 and the bottom edge of 3. Click apply. I'm going to place again. Get my washer. I got 2 more to go. Constrain. We're going to mate center line of the dowel, center line of your washer. Click apply. And we're going to mate again this side of the washer to this side of the flipper. Click apply. Press cancel. We're going to place again. I need flipper number 2. Click open. Press the escape key. Constrain. I'm going to mate center line of the dowel, center line of flipper 2. Click apply. We're going to mate again the left side of flipper 2 to this side of the washer. Click apply. Bottom of flipper 3 to the bottom of flipper 2. Click apply. Press cancel. 1 more washer we have to place and 1 more flipper. Press the escape key. We're going to mate center line of the dowel, center line of the washer. Click apply and mate this side of the washer to this side of flipper 2. Click apply. Last flipper here. Place. Flipper number 1. Open. Press the escape key. I'm going to constrain the dowel center line to the center line of the hole on flipper 1. Click apply. And then I'm going to mate this side of flipper 1 to this side of the washer. Click apply. And we're going to mate the bottoms, the bottom of 2 and the bottom of flipper number 1. Click apply. Press cancel on the constrain window. Let's go home and take a look at our flipper assembly. Nice job. Let's go up to the orange capital letter I. Save as. Make sure this is going into your H drive. And we're going to call this flipper assembly. Click save. Congratulations. Next we're going to put our flipper assembly and flipper and shut box assembly together.